Hi, my name is Aaron and this is my wife Ayesha.
In October 2018, we quit our jobs, put all of our stuff into storage and decided to travel the world for 6 months.
If you like our videos, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and follow us as we travel around the world.
So we are currently on the Amalfi Coast. We're in a little town called Minori. We just left Paris about a week ago and it was beyond anything we could have imagined.
We don't have many expectations from Paris, but we just wanted to put something together in case you're in Paris, and for all the romantics out there, just 3 date ideas of what you can do when you're in Paris. So the Paris Catacombs is probably not the first place you think of when you think of a romantic date.
If dinner and a date is too old school for you and you are the kind of person that likes to wow your date with offbeat ideas, this is definitely a great one. We're walking down like a long tunnel and we can't see the end. We just see lights and lights and the tunnel goes on and on and on. I'm not really sure when it ends. But we're gonna go see a bunch of skulls and bones from a lot of dead people. This place is a tiny bit creepy. We're almost at the end and there's actually a little hole in the ceiling. You can see how low we are. We're so deep underground. I definitely recommend this. This isn't like, I wouldn't say it's beautiful. There's something kind of eerie about it, but it's still definitely worth a visit. Oh, also, if you're using the audio guide, try and bring headphones, because it's pretty convenient if you have those. Otherwise you're holding it up to your ear the entire time.
So our second date idea is to visit a beautiful neighborhood in Paris. We picked the neighborhood of Mountmartre.
There is a beautiful church at the top of the hill. It is the Basilica of the Sacred Heart. It's a Roman Catholic church that is open to visitors, so you can walk around, and if you'd like, there's also paid entry to go to the very top of the basilica. It's quite a ways up, so be sure you wear comfortable shoes when you get here. So the neighborhood of Mountmartre is at one of the highest points in Paris. It's known as an artist's neighborhood, and a lot of famous artists and painters have lived here at one point of time or the other. You'll also see a lot of artists just walking the streets trying to sell you caricatures or portraits of yourself. Feel free to stop and look around and admire all the beautiful paintings of the city. There's also a lot of cafes and quaint little lanes all over the neighborhood. So feel free to hold hands, grab a cup of coffee and take in the sunset and live music.
End your evening on the stairs of the Basilica from the highest point in Paris, where you can catch a beautiful view of the city with your loved one.
So you didn't think we'd make a date ideas in Paris video without including the Eiffel Tower, did you?
Grab yourself some baguette, some cheese and some meats and catch a beautiful view of the light show at the Eiffel Tower.
The light show happens once every hour and happens until about 2 a.m. in the morning,
which gives you enough time to relax and take in the night.